advantage of going for an information disclosure system like star rating under the joint collaboration of SPCB and EPIC is that it gives a lot of transparency, number one, and number two is that it's also create an environment where we can promote responsible industrialization. This all started with when Professor Michael Greenstone had come down to Bhubaneswar to deliver a lecture, and he got into a conversation with the then Development Commissioner Sri Balakrishnan, and we decided that we would sign an agreement with EPIC for the star rating program under the aegis of the Pollution Control Board.
Under this 5-star rating program, industry's emissions will be recorded and released to the public, and so the public will then be able to find out how much each plant is emitting and which plants are violating the standard and which are the cleanest ones. This form of environmental regulation empowers citizens to play an important and central role in helping regulators get industries to comply with the existing Indian law.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to be here to launch the Odisha Star Rating Program for Industries. I congratulate the State Pollution Control Board and Energy Policy Institute of the University of Chicago for this bold initiative.
There were a lot of challenges and teething problems initially because number one, we had to convince the industries to come on board, and we had to convince them that this is for their own good. We had to do a lot of hand-holding, a lot of awareness programs, and after that we also faced a lot of challenge. Before rolling out, we needed to do calibration of the SEMS and the validation of the SEMS data.
Because initially we started with 1 star because our main availability of the pollution control equipment was not that good. And then finally, now we are very happy to get the 4-star ratings. Now we are in the 4-star, we are trying to achieve 5-star also. This is the only unique initiatives in Odisha governments, and I am sure you see this journey has a lot of competitive atmosphere, because when we see each and every day we take the data. Earlier also we are getting the data, but now when we see our ratings, we feel very good. We have improved from 1 star to 2 star, then 3 star to 4 star.
Initially, we started with 20 industries on experimental basis, which then with our efforts, we could cover now 120 plus industries in the state. We are getting online real-time data from all these industries, and it is generating the star rating like 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star and 1-star in category wise, and then it is displayed in our website every month, which is accessible to the public. During these 2 years, we have observed that we are receiving more qualitative data, and the data availability in our server has also increased a lot. So that is the achievement.
Citizen awareness and engagement are key to success of any information disclosure program. For Odisha star rating, we had opted for a 360-degree approach to enhance public awareness and engagement. A series of awareness workshops were organized in different non-attainment cities of Odisha. News stories related to air pollution in major newspapers and news channels of Odisha helped in amplifying awareness regarding this. Social media engagement through Facebook and Twitter also played a major role.
EPIC actually was of a great help because they completely anchored this program and did a lot of hand-holding. They went around to different places to make the industries aware, to build the capacity of the scientists and engineers of the Pollution Control Board. So EPIC was a great help.
Odisha's leadership and commitment to implementing this project has been unparalleled, and we at EPIC India are grateful having had the opportunity to work alongside them to bring this program to life. After working with the SPCB Odisha for over 3 years on capacity building, implementation and technical support, and outreach assistance, EPIC India is now transitioning out of the program with full leadership and operations being taken over by the SPCB Odisha.